Reptiles, cold-blooded, scaly, silent observers of the natural world. They've roamed this earth for hundreds of millions of years, long before humans, long before the continents drifted into the shapes we recognize today. From deserts to rainforests, mountaintops to mangroves, reptiles have made their homes in nearly every corner of the planet. They slither, crawl, bask, and hunt, each species finely tuned to the environment it inhabits. But what exactly is a reptile? Reptiles are vertebrates, meaning they have a backbone. They're ectothermic, or cold-blooded, which means they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. When the sun rises, you might find them soaking in its warmth, and when it sets, many retreat to shelter to conserve that energy. Their skin is covered in scales, or scutes, hard, protective structures made of keratin, the same material found in our fingernails. Unlike amphibians, reptiles don't need water to reproduce. They lay eggs on land, many with tough, leathery shells that protect developing young from drying out. Reptiles include some of the most ancient lineages of animals alive today. Think of turtles, who've barely changed since the time of the dinosaurs, or crocodiles, which once shared swamps with creatures long extinct. And of course, snakes and lizards, fast, agiles, and masters of adaptation. Each reptile group offers its own unique wonders. Like turtles and tortoises, with their slow gait and sturdy shells, they might seem like nature's tanks, but their survival strategy is brilliant. Defense over speed. Some live over 100 years, witnessing more change in a lifetime than we can imagine. Crocodilians, on the other hand, are apex predators. Their powerful jaws, armored bodies, and stealthy ambush tactics make them perfect hunters. But there's a surprising tenderness in how they care for their young, gently carrying hatchlings in their mouth or fiercely guarding them from danger. Lizards, the most diverse reptile group, range from tiny geckos clinging to ceilings with microscopic hairs on their feet to the mighty Komodo dragon, an apex predator in its own right, with venomous saliva and a taste for large prey. And snakes, the ultimate specialist. Legless, silent, and elegant. They've evolved to live in trees, deserts, oceans, and even underground. Some kill with venom, others constrict with powerful muscles. All of them are masterful survivors. Reptiles have long fascinated humans. They've been worshipped as gods, feared as monsters, and kept as companions. In many cultures, they represent wisdom, rebirth, or danger. Often misunderstood, but always respected. But reptiles today face challenges. Habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and illegal wildlife trade threaten their survival. Many species are endangered, some critically so. Conservation efforts are more important than ever, protecting not only the reptiles themselves, but the delicate ecosystems they help balance. Why should we care? Because reptiles are indicators of ecosystem health. They control pests, recycle nutrients, and serve as food for other species. Because every creature has its own role in the web of life. And because they're simply amazing. Think about it. Reptiles can see in ultraviolet. Some can glide through the air. Others can go months without food. Some species can change color, drop their tails to escape predators, or survive in freezing temperatures by literally turning into ice and thawing out again in the spring. There's still so much we don't know, so many secrets locked away in their ancient eyes and armored bodies. Reptiles don't ask for much: a warm rock, a patch of sunlight, a place to hide, but in return, they show us a side of nature that is quiet, resilient, and timeless. So the next time you spot a lizard darting up a tree, or hear the rustle of leaves beneath your feet, take a moment. You're sharing the world with a creature whose lineage reaches back to the dawn of time, and that is something worth appreciating. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this glimpse into the world of reptiles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need a little reminder of just how wild and wonderful nature really is.